duit, failte ríomh go dtí an lá Bhunaitheoirí. Or, if you're speaking Ospreala, hello and welcome to the Founders Day video. Founders Day is to commemorate the joint birthday of Baden-Powell and his wife Olive, and also to celebrate as a global association what we've achieved as a collective in the last 100 odd years or so. Today I'm wearing my LGBT Fellowship neckerchief because that's currently the only link I have to scouting at the moment. I was a leader for about 3 or 4 years, but then college and life got in the way. But no, for me scouting is about, it's about fellowship and friendship, and I've met some really good people, and I may not speak to them all the time, but I know that I can speak to them about whatever it is that I want. I've had some really good experiences. I've been to different countries, I've met new and interesting people, and learned an awful lot of new skills, and it's been a place for me to indulge my passion in the outdoors. It's something that I've really enjoyed being a part of. I wish I could do more with it, but for the moment what we're doing through the Fellowship Patrol is trying to make our own little branch of the global scouting tree much more openly visible and accessible to everybody, in particular members of the LGBTQ plus community. It's one of these things that will come up with different organisations around the world that have different policies on it and have changed their policies, and we would just like to be seen as being the place where it's okay to be whomever you want to be, to do whatever you want to do. There are groups that I know that have multiple nationalities. They say their prayers and their promises in 13 and 14 different languages. It's all of these kinds of little things that are important, and it's what scouting is about, to me. So, enjoy your Founders Day. I hope wherever you are and whatever you're doing, you're wearing your necko, or scarf, or neckerchief, or whatever it is you like to call them, or Halsstück in German, which is the only other way I can say it. But I hope you have a good day anyway. The next time I'll probably get to wear this out in public is Scart Day in August, but I might wear it before then. You never know. Go míle maith agat for watching. I hope everyone is having a really good day, whether you're a scout or not, and find a reason to celebrate something. Go míle maith agat a ríomh, agus slán go fóill.